Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and happy St. Patrick's Day. I've got my green on and I thought what a perfect opportunity to make another favors episode. So I'm going to be making a popcorn pretzel chocolate favor bags. So if you like favor videos, subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So this requires just a few ingredients. In front of me, I have popcorn that I used an air popper to pop, but you can use microwavable bags or even on the stove top, whatever it is. I used about an equivalent of one dry cup of popcorn kernels, which is equivalent to maybe like 2 bags in the microwave. And then I added some pretzel. So now what I'm gonna do is I melted some chocolate. This is just regular, the candy melts that you can buy at the store. You can also just take white chocolate and just color it. So what I'm gonna do is just drizzle both of these bowls with some of this chocolate. All right, and I also split it into 2 bowls because it makes it a lot easier to mix around. Okay, so that's 1 bowl, and I'll do the same to the other bowl. And it's okay if it comes out in clumps like this. You're gonna mix it all around anyways, and then do another layer of this. So now I'm going to just take a big spoon and mix it all around so that the green coats a lot of the popcorn, a lot of the pretzel. And then what I do while the chocolate is still kind of melted, I have this green and gold just sprinkles that I'm just gonna add a little bit to. So you just mix it around, add more chocolate. If you see some white spots, just keep mixing around until it looks kind of how you want it to. All right, so that looks awesome. That's how you want it to look like, nice and green. So now, to add a little bit more green even, I got these jelly beans that are all different shades of green from Fred Meyer. They had a whole jelly bean section that you can get any colors you want. I'm gonna add half a bag to this bowl and half a bag to the other bowl. You guys, this is definitely not tastefully balanced. I mean, it's tasteful, believe me, but I totally get it. Look at how much candy and chocolate this is. So definitely don't have this on a daily basis. Okay, so then if that wasn't enough sugar, I have some Oreos. These are some mint Oreos that I've just kind of broken up into pieces, and I'm gonna add again half of to one bowl and the half to the other bowl. Oh yes, I mean, how does this not make you happy just looking at it? And then give everything a good mix. And then you're just gonna wanna let it cool down so the chocolate is not still all melted like this before you bag it or anything. So you can speed up the process by popping it in the fridge, or just letting it sit a little bit will do the trick. So I will show you how I prep them afterwards. All right, so I just took this bowl out of the fridge. It's nice and hardened, so the melted chocolate is set. So now what I have are just these plastic bags. So what I'm gonna do is just put a couple spoonfuls of my mixture in this bag. It already looks nice and green, so it's pretty festive. All right, that was way more than a couple spoonfuls. So I have this, and then I also bought these St. Patrick's Day stickers that I wanted to add. So I'm just gonna fold this over like this, and then take one of these stickers, and then just kind of stick it like this so that it looks cute, and you can just present it like this. So yeah, that looks cute. So I guess now it's time to try it. So let me go ahead and get a piece. So I'm just gonna get this piece. It's because of the mint Oreo cookies, the whole entire thing has this minty flavor to it. Really, really good. If you guys like favor videos, give me a theme, put it down in the comments. I love making themed kind of favor bags, so just let me know. And if you like favor videos in general, just comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. All right, welcome back. So I just bought this at